Okay, guys, so I'll show you guys how I'm actually losing all my profits I made in my trading. So this is just to show you the mistake I've actually made, not accepting a loss. I was supposed to accept a loss, and basically I just didn't do that. So it went very, very bad, and I started losing a lot of money. So I'll show you basically all my profits. I had over $400 profits in 52 days. This is day 52 of the challenge, I guess, and I'm losing basically everything. So I'll show you guys. I'll show you the screen. So as you can see right here, there's a trade going on over here with a minus $300. So it's gonna probably go down. It's gonna just go to the stop loss. It will probably ruin my whole trading profit, which is pretty fine. I mean, this is what I was expecting to happen. Basically, what I did is yesterday, I made a massive mistake. So I went short over here on the crude oil. It didn't work very well. So I reshorted over here and hoping for it to actually reach the break-even point. It didn't touch the break-even point, and it just kept going up and up. So I had another tiny trend line over here, and crude oil just started breaking through this the high point over here. So I said, okay, I was short here for 0.46 and short here 0.46. So to basically just make a profit, I was supposed to close this trade. I was supposed to close this trade, accept the loss over here. I was supposed to take this one off, just go with a minus $20 in my bank account, and then just go long for a 0.96 lots. Now, this 0.96 lots didn't go very well because it never went long. It just started going back down. So as soon as it started going back down, I actually closed this one on a break even. So I closed this on a break even. I said, okay, so this one got off and I closed it to break even. So also this one took here and I closed another one to break even. And I was like, okay, so now I closed all these trades. I don't have to do anything. It's okay. But the main issue was that I was not supposed to close these trades. I should have kept these guys open and just keep this one open too, but with a 0.96, not with 1.84. The reason for is that I was just supposed to block the loss because I was not sure of where the market would go. So I was supposed to actually block the losing trade. And I didn't do that. So I didn't block the losing trade. I just, I just got the wrong things on. So I hedged it in the wrong way. So just to recoup and re-explain these things. The mistake was that, I mean, if this was to go long, I would have made profits like immediately over here. Like over here, I was just making profits. But on average, this actually obviously didn't happen, and I'm losing greatly, a lot of money. So what can I do now? What would have happened? Basically, this one would have gone short with a 0.46 or 0.46, and I would have kept this margin closed. In case it actually came back up, I would have probably made more money, and that was it. Now, my solution here would have probably been to obviously just accept this loss over here and leave this one open and just go for a 0.96 lots over here long, and this one was short obviously with a 0.46. So if this was going to go wherever it was going to go, I would have made profits anyway. Now this didn't happen, so if I were to make the right trade here, I would have a 0.96 open and a 0.46 basically still open. Now, what happens here is, in order to block this trade, in order to make a profit, I would have to add more of something like a 0.46 and another sorry, and another 0.46. So this would mean that I would have to go 3 positions short, having 2 positions long. Now, what does this allow me to do? This would allow me to actually play a little bit more with the ranging market that we're seeing over here. So since this would have actually brought me on a short side, I would have made profits by just keeping this one open and just opening 2 more trades, like this one and this one. So I would have had probably a $700 margin blocked and another $300 blocked. That was going to be the last one. So in case this one was not going to work, I would have had to actually get back to it, accept the loss. I mean, if this was not going to go down forever and ever, I would have actually had to leave it at that, and it would have came back here. I would have had to close this, take this loss, close the other one, and just see if it was going to go long anymore again. Now, am I going to use the margin again, this edging thing again? I don't think so, because it's very daunting and tempting. I mean, it actually destroys your whole trading psychology. So what's going to happen now? Probably going to take the stop loss over here. Like there's 90% chance I'm going to take the stop loss. So if it doesn't take the stop loss and it goes back up here, probably I'll close it. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's the way trading works. Now, I just don't give a fuck about this. I will still trade in the next around... yeah, I mean, as soon as this one actually gets closed, I will get back my margin and I will keep on trading with my 2K, remaining 2K. And if I manage to make a profit in the next 60, 70, 90, next 30 days without hedging, I would probably just start trading with 10K. So why is that? Because hedging is not an instrument that I'm looking to actually use anymore in my trading, because hedging destroys the freedom of trading in itself. So there's ups and downs, but hedging is not something I'm going to be using. I will probably start to add to my trades and just add to my trades if I think I should add to my trades, as I was doing at the beginning. And hedging is not going to be a thing anymore for me, because it just blocks my trading, destroys my opportunities. It just doesn't give me any chances to make profits. It's just the way it works. So yeah, this is it. And banking the loss and just giving it another 30 to 20 days. Probably it's going to stay stuck over here in the next 10 days. God knows what happens, and we'll see what happens. So sure thing, sure, I'm not using hedging anymore. This is what I'm going to be doing. So this is trading, and if I can make a profit without hedging anymore, then probably I'll be start trading with 10K. Otherwise, I'll just close the channel. And this is just to remind myself that trading is not something that's wrong for me. So this is it. Yes.